A traditional moussaka recipe will have you fry the potatoes and the veggies, but we're not going to do that. We're going to put them in the oven to bake. This is a healthier option and it also tastes as equally as delicious. Okay, mix very well, add a lid, and take it from high heat to medium heat until all the juices are soaked up and it's more dry. It should look like this, where everything is nicely blended and you don't see any of the puree or tomato juice. Set this aside and let it cool. We'll come back to this later. Okay, you're gonna want to work fast. You're going to put the flour in, you're going to whisk it until it comes to more of like a doughy ball consistency, kind of looks like porridge. Add in your milk, but fold it in. Do not add everything at once. You're going to see me put it in little by little. You want to make sure that you do this to even out the flour mixture, so that way that there's not any clumps. If you think that your sauce looks too thin, go ahead and add more flour. That will make it more thicker. If you think that you made it too thick, then all you have to do is add more milk. This will thin it out more. So there's no way to mess this up. Okay, we're almost done. We're just checking the consistency. As you can see, it's more of cake batter, so don't think of soup or chowder, but a little bit more on the thicker side, so more like cake batter. Okay, our bechamel sauce is done, so just set this aside to cool. We will use it in a little bit. The veggies should be nice, soft, and golden. Now set them aside. Okay, in a large mixing bowl, we're going to put the meat sauce that we created from earlier. And now we're going to add a third of the bechamel sauce that we created. Your oven should still be on right now. I want you to raise the temperature up to 350 degrees. Now to your baking pan, you're going to add oil, spread it evenly across the bottom, and make sure you get all of the sides.